Today I'm going to show you how you can use a ready-made template to quickly create an order form that will generate new business for your supermarket. You can add more categories, pictures, and change prices of your products on this form to match it to your business. Let's begin. Step 1. Let's make a copy of this template. On Airtel's grocery website, click Create Order Form. In the template gallery, scroll down and choose this supermarket grocery order form template here. This order form template has up to 15 categories in almost 100 products. You see the categories here? They range from daily groceries such as vegetables, fruits, to home decors and frozen foods. Under each of the category, you have a few sample products with nice images and prices already filled in. This is almost ready to be used. It's just that you need to adjust it to your supermarket. You can copy the template and start changing the product list and prices. Click on Use this template button here to create a copy. Add your store name to make a title. For example, I use Supermarket order form. Then choose your currency. I'm changing it to euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. And then click on Confirm. Give it a minute or two for it to create a copy. Alright, it's copied now, and this is your own order form. Now let's move on to step 2. Here we'll be changing something on a category name, add a new category, and add products to each category. This form is currently in edit mode. Do you see the little gear icons all over? You can click on these gear icons to change the category name here, for instance, from fruits to fresh fruits. Now I'm adding a new category named stationery. I click on this plus symbol and create a new page. A page can be a category that can list many products, or it can just be a list of form fields asking the user to input something like contact details, delivery details, etc. You need to at least add one product to the category that you newly added. When you add, make sure that you name the product properly, add appropriate prices, and upload an image of the real product. Here you can add a product sold by quantity or by weight. For example, you may be selling a pack of color pencils by quantity. This order form lets you sell both types of products. For more specific videos on how to add products sold by weight, please check the video description below. I click on the plus icon here and I add color pencils, a pack of 12 as a product. I add the price to €1.90 and I also add the image by clicking on the image and upload the one that I have here. That's all, and you have your new category added to the list here. To make the newly created category show up at the top of the order form, you have to add it to the navigation flow. To do this, you click on the gear icon besides the next option here at the bottom of the category section. Then select Add this section to navigation and finally save it. Similarly, you can delete the products by clicking on the trash bin icon under each of the listings here. Now that you have customized this order form by adding, changing and deleting a few products, you can see how this will look like to your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in desktop, tablet and mobile as well. Here you can change the theme, color and appearance of the form. Now it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form in a new window. And now, just like your customers in the supermarket, I'm going to go aisle by aisle, meaning category by category to choose the items that I want. Or I can click on a specific category from the home page to directly look into the product list. So now I'm on the home page where I can see all the different categories. I click on Next. And now I'm inside the product list of the first category, vegetables. Here I pick some vegetables that I want, some beetroots, potatoes and chilies. I click on Next and I have the fresh fruits that's available at the store today. I choose some blueberries and pineapple. I click on Next and I move on to choosing some herbs. And I slowly move to each category by the other, choosing products that I want. While I'm doing this, I'm filling my cart here. and I move on and on. By doing so, I don't miss out on any of the products that I might need for my home this week. Also, I'm only shown what is available at your store currently, and I can precisely choose only the things that I want. The navigation is so smooth that your customers would enjoy shopping just like how I feel now. And I'm simply skipping the sections where I do not want anything. My cart is ready here. I see my order summary and the total amount. Now I'll go ahead and write my contact details and address for delivery. So now I've placed an order to you. You can go back to your order form and click on the orders tab here to see the list of orders that you've received. All this while, did you notice that you did not do anything extra to calculate order amount and summary? Yes, all that is built in automatically. However, you can further customize this form to add, say, delivery fees or sales tax calculations. For the payment, you can integrate the form with your preferred payment option, including PayPal, Venmo, Google Pay, and Stripe. Now, share your order form with your customers. Click on Share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone or social media or share it via WhatsApp or even embed it in your website. With this online order form, start accepting orders online at your supermarket today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartrail.com. We are happy to help you anytime. See you there.